Thank you. Morning. Good morning, Maritisan. Thank you for the heart. Who's the giving her heart? Heart, John. Salamat. Habang nagla-live, dapat may gawin. Multitask. What else? Good morning, guys. Shut up and dance with me. Da, 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 da. One day, wake up in the sun. Pagikapa. And what? Pagikapa. What means pagikapa? What means? Dinda. Hello, Dinda. What it means, Dinda? Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the heart, John. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Jaco. Hi, Jaco. Thank you, Jaco. Hi, Jaco. Jaco na ba? Thank you for the 6 people in the house. Greetings from Finland, Betty. Hi, thank you, Jaco. Thank you so much from Finland. Finland, Europe. Wow, great. Thank you. So much. Missy home. Thank you for the 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you for thumbs up. Thank you. Do you know where is Finland? I think Finland is in Europe. Beautiful. I know. I hear that here. I think Finland is one of beautiful country in Europe. Maybe. Have a snow there? Snow. Nash. Morning. Hi, Nash. How are you, Nash? Nash. Good. Thank you for people. Next to Sweden and Russia. Ah, okay. Oh, Sweden and Russia is cold there. Hello, Big Boy TV. Hi. Thank you, Sir Jacob, for joining me here again. Thank you so much. Hi, Big Boy TV. Salamat. There are 8 people in the house. Cheryl, sit down and chat. Do that other stuff later. Okay. Wait. Sit down. No, sit down. No chair. Happy birthday, Manay. My birthday is next year. Thank you. Advance greetings. Where's my gift? Hi! Hello! Sinang kako to? Pwede tabi kong lapingan sa mo. Podam dam. Opo, podam ako. Are you single? No, I'm not single. But, not yet married now, but soon I'm getting married. I'm getting married. Are you married, Sir Jacob? Ay, salamat. Kabait naman to na bata na to. Sige. Doon ka na. Sige. Sige, sarahan ko. Sarahan mo. Salamat. Ay siya. Sinong may birthday? Ambot. Ba't nagbabati ka ng birthday? Wala nga yung birthday. Ano ba yung birthday? Thank you. Thank you for joining. Summer. Do you have good men? Before, no. But I hope now it's a good man. I hope now. I think he's a good man. Sorry. Sorry na gaway. Sorry na bilanghoy. Sorry na kamote. Thank you for the 9 people and the 3 thumbs up. 3. Salamat. Thank you guys. I'm long hair rock. Let me see. I'm long hair rock. Hair rock. Musician, drummer. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Salamat. Thank you. At sa bawat minuto if I play drums, you can shake hips. Yes, yes, I shake hips. Claps. Played it. Play it. I think most I like music meditations like soothing, calm music. But sometimes I rock. Because I like dance. I love dance. Where? Sexy mo naman. Siyempre, kailangan. Payatot ka mo, hindi sexy. Magkaiba kasi yung payatot sa sexy. Magkaiba siya. So, in real life, payatot, hindi sexy. Tight jeans and hip shake. Yes. Tight jeans. May jowa ka ba? Yes. May jowa na. Cheers sa mga cheers sa mga lumalaban ng patas. Salamat. Saan ka sa Bicol? Pilipinas. Hi po. Thank you for the thumbs up. Akay ang mga taga-Irosin, Magayon. But, dere man ako Magayon. I'm not belong the Magayon. Sila lang yun. Sila lang yun. Kung Magayon ako, dere kung ako hindi sana ako iniiwan. Hindi sana ako niloloko. Sana ako pinagpapalit. Maganda talaga mga shut up, Nash. Baka naman, patamsak naman. Sanga. What is he typing? They said, living in a Russian, they are beautiful. Beautiful woman. I have brown eyes just like you have. Really? Wow. Brown eyes. Me, black eyes. Black eyes. He's gone. He's gone? He's gone? Who's gone? Shut up and dance. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Salamat po. Thank you po. Jelko and long hair. Ah, okay. Long hair. Before, I have long hair. Yeah, my long hair. But I cut this here. Thank you for the 9 people in the house. Thank you so much. And for the thumbs up, thank you. Hindi lang siguro para sa sila. Kaya siguro. Sabi nga ni, magtagahulat. Kaya ba kaya ito lang. Nagagi lang yan to. para gamitin lang, para makilala mo yung sila. Wow. Sana? Oo. Bagay, ginamit lang din sila. Just para amoy English, yes. Amoy said, maybe my past relationship not destined for me because someone much better. I know it now. My hair is half black. Half black. What the color of the half? Half black and the other is blonde or blondie, red, red hair, black, not black. Ah, my hair is half back. Ah, half back. Half back. Okay, back. Half back. Half, half back. Half, uh, back. Only there, only here. The hair. I can't imagine the half back hair. Behind you, your back. Behind me, your back. Behind me, your back. Oh my god. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't understand. You know, sometimes I'm not always like that. Oh my god. Thank you for the 5 people in the house. Thank you so much. Your breasts are in front. Your back is back. Your breasts are in front. And your back. Yes, I know. Red edge. I read edge. Bah. So Joe's hair is halfway down his back. Ah, okay. It's not cool. Okay. Jaco. So sad I can't send photo, yes. It's okay, it's fine. How old are you, Jaco? How old are you, Sir Jaco? Jaco Nivola Amen. Nivola 46. Oh. My age bracket. I'm 14, you're 46 age bracket. 40s. Are you married, Sir Jaco? You have kids? Like, I know. Thank you for the hamsak. Mm. Mm. Salamat. Jaco, what's your real name? If you a musician, then you should be on Google. No, I'm single. Yes, we search you on Google, Sir Jaco. Then, maybe we will use your music for giving a credit. You're 40, yes. 40 po. I'm 40. Bakit? Thank you for the thumbs up. No, he will only look at his hair. Okay. Thank you for 8 people in the house. Thank you so much. Seconds in time. You love teenager. Thank you. Thank you, Amoy Paksiw. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40 years old. Who keeps messaging? Messaging? Wait. Wait. I want to see whose message. Sit down, chat, do the tattoo stuff. Oh, my Zumba group, then the Zumba group chat, and then the about work group chat also. And you. My destiny. Thank you for the 10 million in the house. Kahit na. Bumabalik, kumaalis. Bumabalik, kumahanap. Kung ako man sana ang iyong mahal, di ka na maliit. Isa, kung ako naman sana. Thank you for the 12 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hula Hermosa. Hi, Salvador Torres. Hula. Hula hula hoop. I can play guitar too, and you can dance. What a dance. Versace on the oh, take it up for me, for me, for me, for me, girl. Versace like that. Take it up for me, for me, for me, for me, girl. Well, Jaco, what's the real name? Oh, take it up for me, for me, for me, for me, girl. Guitar. What you mean real name? Jaco is your real name? Sir Jaco? Your name. Maybe his real name is Jaco. No, it's not. It's not.
Babalik ako!
Take it off for me, for me, for me, for me. Well, Jaco as a musician for a rock band. For a rock band. What's the name of the band? The name of the band. Maybe not not as a private, it's called private. Sometimes mm, her Rahat Jahinki. Your real name? Rahat Jahinki. Rahat Jahinki. Thank you for this. Thank you for the thumbs up and the 13 people in the house. Thank you so much. Salamat. My band name, cover band, Money in Your Life. Huh? My band name, cover band, Money in Your Life. Rahat Jahinki and Finish. Ah, okay. And Finish. Finnish means people in England. Finland. Finland.
Walang mga alas 10 ko mga makaulit.
Gagaling sa I'm alright, I'm alright. Thank you. Sa nagka-thumbs up, salamat. Jaco, my body, lead singer of Saliva never had that band. Do you have Skype or Teams? I have no Teams here on YouTube. Before I have a team here, but I leave that team because I'm not supporting them back. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Duffy. And I helped Sweden Entertainment tour business for years. From team. We don't need that are sorry. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, Sir. Happy Monday, Daphne. We don't give out personal info. Hi, Daphne. Hi, it's me from Daphne. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. What's now with you today? Have a good day. Great day, nice day, nothing. Nothing. After lunch, I attend the meeting for work. So that's it. Oh my god. Guys, hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up, giving thumbs up. Thank you.
Bakit ang mga dalaga ho? Bakit di naman ako sa iyo?
Uh, I'm envious of you both. I'm working the evening. I'm working this evening. Okay. Thank you, Daphne. Envious. I'm envious. What means envious? Sorry, I don't know how the meaning. Where you are? Where you are, Daphne? My co-work we need to work now. Oh my god, I suck. I need to go calling Call of Duty. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Hope you join. See you later. Have a good night and good day. Jolly Martha. Hi Jolly Martha. Thank you so much for joining. And though no, I ended live now. I need to end live now. Thank you so much. Hope you join later. I'm a problem solver for my profession. Wow. I'm giving a problem, but I'm not a problem solver. Hope you problem hope you solve my problem, Daffy. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all. Thank you so much. Hope to see you later. Bye bye.